This Action Union PJ-type tactical helmet offers a solid balance of protection and low weight, making it well-suited for airsoft and paintball use over long sessions. The shell uses impact-resistant engineering plastic of practical thickness, giving reassuring rigidity without feeling like a burden on your neck. Generous ventilation openings and the open PJ cut help heat escape quickly, so the helmet stays more comfortable during fast-paced games or hot weather training. The interior padding system is modular and repositionable, allowing you to fine-tune the fit and cushioning for different head shapes and goggles setups. Integrated accessory rails and a front mounting point let you attach lights, cameras, or night vision gear, while exterior hook and loop areas make it easy to add identification patches. The included cover, extra pads, and small accessory pieces make this feel like a complete starter package for someone building a versatile airsoft or training helmet setup.